Hello, everybody, and welcome to my next interview with Data Schoolers. Today, I have Tanya Fischer with me from Data School Germany. Thanks for joining me, Tanya.
Hi, Andy.
Tell everybody about yourself and how you got into the data school.
Yes, so my name is Tanya. I graduated last year with a master's degree in labor market economics and then moved back to the north of Germany, where I'm originally from.
What is labor market economics?
Oh, yeah, that's a good question. It's quite an interdisciplinary study program. So it's a bit of HR background, but a lot of, how do you pronounce it in English? Economics and statistical analytics as well. So that's what actually got me into data analytics. And that's why I wanted to continue that path.
What do you prefer, Tableau or Alteryx?
I do like solving problems with Alteryx. I think it's quite fun to do the weekly challenges, but I would have to go with Tableau, I think.
Why?
I think it gives you a bit more room to work creatively, which I like. And I do like that Tableau is accessible to the broader audience. So if you go to Tableau Public, basically anyone could get a chance to learn about data visualizations. I like that.
What's your favorite feature of Tableau?
I do like maps a lot, actually, because I think it's kind of magic that you just drag two measures into the canvas and then a whole map pops up, and I don't know.
It's like magic, right? You're only a few weeks into your training, but how do you think you've improved the most?
I think it would be analytical thinking, really, because I do not come from a very analytical background, and the whole formula tool alone in Alteryx is thinking in another way, really. And yeah, that's where I improved the most, I guess.
And what have you found most challenging?
Also the formula tool, because when you don't think in that way, it's quite difficult to get all the if statements. And
what's one thing you're looking forward to learning?
I'm looking forward to kind of connecting the two tools. So we have done a lot of Alteryx preparation and some visualizations in Tableau, but there has not yet been the connection of those two tools, and I'm really looking forward to getting the whole process.
What tips do you have for people that are considering applying for the data school?
I guess it would be good if the person who applies really tries to answer a question with the data they got. So don't just hand in some charts that are randomly connected, but really try to think of what kind of answer you want to answer with the data, and then try to solve it with the charts you put into your dashboard.
Great. And following up from that, you have the interview. What interview tips do you have for people to, kind of get themselves from that application to the interview to getting an offer to join the data school?
You should definitely remember what you did in your visualization and remember what you did there. So maybe take some notes in between, and then try to, you're the expert of this visualization, so you should be confident about presenting it. And I guess stay true to yourself. It doesn't matter if your English or German is not perfect. Yeah. Just try to do the best you can, really.
And if you could do anything for one day, it doesn't have to do with Tableau or Alteryx, what would you do?
Anything for one day?
Anything for one day.
Oh, I would be a man.
Oh, interesting. Why is that?
Take all the advantages of being a man, a white man, probably.
Interesting.
White man with a lot of money and power.
Great answer. Great answer. I would have never thought about that, but that's great. Yeah. What's one thing you're scared of?
Death, actually.
Okay.
So just very basic instincts, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. So you want to be a man and you don't want to die.
Right.
Right. Okay. Okay, great. And if somebody were to visit Hamburg, what's one thing they should do while they're there?
when the weather is good, they should definitely go to the beach. There's a ferry that goes to the beach in the west, and they can just sit and watch the ships go by and have a look at the cranes. And in the night, you should definitely go to the Reeperbahn, I guess.
Yeah, so thank you very much for your time, Tanya, and I will chat with you later.
Thanks for having me.
Have a good day. All right.
You
Bye.
too. Bye.
Bye.